What if I told you that a single decision you make today could determine whether you retire wealthy or struggle financially for the rest of your life? This is not about luck, inheritance, or winning the lottery. It is about a choice within your control. Most people believe that building wealth requires extraordinary circumstances, a high-paying job, or a background of privilege. The reality is quite different. Even someone earning an average income can transform their financial future with a simple, consistent habit. The decision I am about to show you is small, practical, and achievable by almost anyone. It does not require complex strategies or risky investments. Yet its impact over decades can be life-changing. The best part is that this decision begins with just one small step. $100 a month can start to shape your future in ways most people overlook. It is not about the money itself. It is about consistency, patience, and commitment. Consider the majority of Americans. According to recent surveys, over half cannot access even $1,000 in an emergency. This is not limited to people with low-paying jobs. It includes college graduates, middle-class families, and individuals with stable employment. Many live paycheck to paycheck, caught in a cycle of earning and spending without ever building meaningful wealth. They buy the latest gadgets, enjoy nice dinners, and maintain trendy wardrobes, yet their financial foundations are weak. They might appear comfortable on the outside, but underneath, they are unprepared for even minor financial setbacks. This is not a moral failing. It is a result of habits, awareness, and decisions made or ignored over time. Understanding this reality is the first step. By acknowledging that financial freedom is possible, even with modest resources, you can begin to take control. Small, deliberate actions now can prevent decades of financial stress later. Imagine this: saving just $100 per month. That is equivalent to a few cups of coffee each week, or a couple of streaming subscriptions. It is not a sacrifice that will drastically affect your lifestyle, yet it is transformative over time. By committing to this habit, you immediately place yourself ahead of more than 60% of your peers. The reason is simple. Most people never develop the discipline to consistently save anything at all. The act of saving $100 per month is not about the immediate reward. It is about establishing a habit, a mindset, and a system that prioritizes long-term financial growth. It forces you to become intentional with your spending. You begin to differentiate between wants and needs, and you start thinking about money in a new way. Consistency compounds, and this is where the real power of small decisions emerges. Finding that extra $100 each month does not require extreme sacrifice. It requires examining your daily habits and making strategic adjustments. Perhaps you eat out one less night per week, buy a few fewer convenience items, or cancel subscriptions you rarely use. These small changes, when combined, free up money that can be redirected toward your future. The modern economy also offers opportunities to increase income. Freelancing, part-time work, or a small side business can easily generate $100 or more per month. The key is action, not perfection. Some may focus on reducing expenses, while others prefer to increase income. Both approaches work, and most successful people use a combination of the two. The decision to start, to take consistent action, outweighs the specific method. $100 redirected today is the seed that grows into substantial wealth tomorrow. The magic behind this strategy is compound growth. When you invest $100 per month, your money begins to work for you. In the first few years, the returns may appear small, almost negligible. Perhaps an extra $50 or $100 accumulates from investment gains. It does not feel life-changing yet, but this is only the beginning. Over decades, the growth accelerates exponentially. The interest you earn starts generating its own interest, creating a snowball effect that grows larger with each passing year. This is the principle that separates financial success from financial struggle. People who understand and harness compound growth realize that time is their most valuable asset. The earlier you start, the more your money compounds. $100 today has far more potential than $500 10 years from now, simply because of the power of consistent investing over time. When you commit to saving $100 each month, you develop discipline that transforms your relationship with money. There are two main ways to free up $100 each month: reducing expenses or increasing income. On the expense side, start by auditing your fixed costs. Insurance premiums, phone bills, internet, and subscriptions often contain hidden inefficiencies. Negotiating or switching providers could save $50 to $100 immediately. On the income side, consider leveraging your skills in the modern economy. Freelancing, tutoring, consulting, or even part-time work can generate an extra $100 per month. You might find it easier to combine both strategies, cutting unnecessary costs while earning more. The key is commitment. Do not wait for the perfect opportunity or ideal circumstances. Start today. $100 redirected consistently is the foundation of long-term financial growth. Once you have $100 available each month, the next step is investing it wisely. Investing transforms money into a wealth-generating machine. You are no longer just saving. You are creating future financial security. Even modest, consistent investments grow significantly over decades. For example, $100 invested monthly in a broad stock market index, like the S&P 500, can grow to several $100,000 over 40 years. The numbers are simple yet powerful. The specific investment matters less than starting and maintaining consistency. By committing to this habit, you make your money work for you. This is how ordinary people achieve extraordinary financial results without extraordinary income or luck. The combination of habit, discipline, and time compounds into life-changing wealth. Consider a 10-year timeline. Saving and investing $100 per month totals $12,000 in contributions. But because of compound growth, your investment may grow to nearly $18,000 in that period. That extra $6,000 represents interest earned on your money, a simple demonstration of how investing accelerates wealth. While this may not seem revolutionary, it illustrates the fundamental principle. Consistent, small contributions over time become meaningful. Most people underestimate this process because they focus on short-term results. Patience and persistence are required. The longer you maintain the habit, the more powerful the growth becomes. 10 years is just the beginning. Extending this habit to 20, 30, or 40 years transforms your financial trajectory entirely. Time is your greatest asset, yet most people fail to recognize its value. Delaying even 1 year of consistent investing reduces future wealth substantially. Starting at 25 instead of 35 could mean the difference of hundreds of thousands of dollars in your portfolio by retirement. The percentage returns remain the same, but the absolute growth compounds over more years. Many underestimate this impact because they focus on income rather than time invested. The earlier you begin, the smaller your contributions need to be to achieve the same results. This is why financial advisors consistently emphasize starting now, regardless of how small your first investment might be. $100 today is more powerful than $1,000 tomorrow if the tomorrow never comes. Consistently, the habit is more important than the amount. Wealth is not only about money. It is about freedom, options, and opportunities. With a growing investment portfolio, you can afford to take calculated risks. Perhaps you want to start a business, pursue further education, or invest in real estate. These opportunities are often inaccessible to those without savings. Consistent investing provides a financial cushion that allows you to act when opportunities arise. Financial independence is not just about comfort. It is about empowerment. The person who saves and invests consistently gains the ability to make choices based on long-term benefit rather than immediate necessity. $100 per month is the starting point for this freedom. The habit creates leverage, and leverage creates opportunity. Watching your investments grow has a profound psychological impact. Each month, your account balance increases without additional effort. This reinforces the value of consistent action and builds confidence. Over time, financial decisions become intentional rather than reactive. You start evaluating purchases based on future impact. A $100 dinner is no longer just $100. It represents potential growth lost over decades. The wealthy think in terms of dollars working for them rather than dollars exchanged for immediate gratification. This mindset shift is critical. Financial discipline becomes habitual, and decisions are informed by long-term perspective. The psychological effect reinforces continued investing, creating a positive feedback loop that accelerates wealth building. Consistent investing creates momentum, like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small but grows in size and speed. Early contributions are modest, but compound interest accelerates growth over decades. Increasing contributions as income grows amplifies this effect. Automated investing removes decision fatigue and temptation, ensuring consistency. This momentum builds psychological motivation and financial security simultaneously. Over time, the snowball effect becomes undeniable. Investments grow faster, compounding on both contributions and previous gains. The habit of consistent investing, even starting at $100 per month, creates a powerful financial engine that works continuously. This is the foundation for substantial wealth accumulation without extraordinary income. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. $100 per month may seem small, but it is enough to begin building wealth that lasts a lifetime. The strategy is simple, achievable, and scalable. It requires discipline, patience, and consistency. By starting now, you harness the power of compound growth, develop financial habits that serve you, and create freedom for your future. Delaying action costs more than money. It costs opportunity and time. Take that first step. Commit to saving, commit to investing, and commit to your financial future. One small action today grows into life-changing results tomorrow. This is the path toward wealth, security, and financial independence. My name is Finn, and I help people understand how small financial decisions can create massive long-term results. If you're interested in building real wealth, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this information helps you.